Hello all, this is Sidra Rehman. Welcome back to my channel. Today I created this simplest easy makeup look that you can wear for your first date, because nobody like me to say the boys doesn't like makeup. And if you want to know how I create this look, keep watching. First I'm applying Vaseline on my lips because it's getting so dry nowadays. I'm starting with primer. I'm using this Wet n Wild coverall primer base. This much because if I apply a lot of concealer, it will cake up on my skin and it not look flawless. To contour my face, I'm using this bronzer from Sivanna color palette. I'm not applying a lot because it will look little muddy and not natural. So slightly of this Maybelline Fit Me concealer.
Summer days burn me out, love just brings me down. Cold inside like winter leaves that slowly leave the ground. Hey, you come back, I wanna give you a chance. Love me like you used to, so we can learn again. The skin is getting brown, baby, drink your night away. Maybe we will not regret it, you will not regret me. Laying down under the sun, burning love cause we are young. No one tells us what's done wrong, cause it's just me and you. It's just me and you.
flawless my skin looking. In real life, a lot of makeup like cake my face and it looks so uneven and unreal. That's why I'm applying so little, and now I'm buffing and mixing all the things together. You can use this Lakme Iconic Kajal in classical brown, just little bit in outer corner and inner corner to make eye shape little like less rounded and make little almond shape. Just slightly flick this off to make a little like the shape of almond. Just you can see how much it make my shape little cat effect or little like a almond shape. You can dab it little to soft it up. You can see how much make my eye little define. Now I'm using this Wet n Wild this kajal pencil in color nude. I'm applying my waterline. it's almost the same color of my lips, but like it's better than my lips, and you can see how much it make my face bounce and mean to say beautiful. You can apply little amount of blush if you want, or if you don't want, you can leave it as it is. You can use this natural shade, or you can use this orange shade as your need. I'm applying slightly of this orange shade, mean to say this natural or coral shade.